Alright, you guys asked for it and I got it. So these are the latest and greatest in the rechargeable battery world. So today we're gonna unbox them, we're gonna charge them, and see what they're all about. So first of all, I do like that they come with a little case. That's actually really nice because there's no other way to store the batteries. I had to buy cases, so in this case they come with a case, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and break one of these open and see what it's all about. I'm not sure if it's sealed all the way around. Nope. There we go. Alright. So they got some weight to them, which is a good thing in the battery world. They definitely look cool. They do look gold. They don't look yellow. So let's go ahead and throw them in the charger and we will charge them up, discharge them, recharge them, and we'll see how many milliamp hours they have. So let's get a close up here. So 1100 milliamp hours is what we're going to go for. The technology is NIMH. They do have another version of these, but these are the NIMH version, made in China. EBL. Let's go. And I will break open another one just to fill up all of these chargers. This way, struggling again here. What am I doing wrong? This way we'll have a pretty good average as far as the state of the batteries. Okay, I do have more chargers, but I think this is enough for testing purposes. Alright, so once they're all seated nice and even, I will unplug each one just to kind of make sure they're starting from scratch. And what we'll do here is we will do the normal test. So this is charge only. This is the fast charge. This is the normal test at 500 milliamps. So it'll charge at 500, discharge at 500, and recharge at 500. And we'll get a readout of how many milliamp hours were in there. All right, normal test, normal test, normal test. We'll come back in a few hours and we'll see what the state is. Oh, we got one. Okay, there we go. It wasn't connected properly. All right, guys, while the batteries are charging, I did forget to meter the batteries beforehand just to see what voltage they come, just to see if you can use them right out of the box or do you have to charge them. So let's check the last 4 that we didn't start charging yet. And we have 1.3, let's say. Close enough. 128. 129. And 128. So yes, these are good right out of the box. It would be interesting to see how many milliamp hours they have, but once these charge and discharge, we'll know exactly what those numbers are. Alright guys, here are the results, and we are around 1000 milliamp hours. So not exactly the 1100 they advertised, but actually very similar to the Eneloops that are also around that 900 to 1000 milliamp hours after my testing. So these are actually better cost effective than the Eneloops, because the Eneloops are around 900 to 1000. These are around actually much closer to 1000, and these are like, I believe, $19 for 16. And the Eneloops, I think they're like, for 16, they're probably about $30 a piece. So you're paying more, but you're not really getting more. So I think these are the best batteries as far as I've tested so far. A little better than the Power Owls, but again, very similar to the Power Owls. So these are the results. Thanks for watching.